Join us and make a special gift with yarn to give to others for Yarnsgiving. Organized by the Craft Yarn Council, Yarnsgiving celebrates creativity and generosity through yarn crafts. If you are new to punch needle and want to learn the basics, we have excellent live online classes through the Oxford Rug Hooking School. You can find our class schedule under the Oxford Rug Hooking School section at amyoxford.com. Our Falling for Punch mug rugs patterns are available as a free download on our website. The link is in the description below. Today we're going to show you the order of punching we recommend and where to put each color. Besides the pattern, you'll need a gripper strip frame, monk's cloth to fit your frame, a number 9 or number 10 regular point Oxford punch needle, a pair of small scissors, and a stitch gauge to help you measure your stitches. For this video, we're punching each mug rug using a 10 by 10 inch frame with each pattern traced on a 15 by 15 inch piece of monk's cloth. You can also punch all 4 mug rugs on an 18 by 18 inch frame with the patterns traced on a 24 by 24 inch piece of monk's cloth. The colors used are all Violet Jane 100% wool rug yarn. A skein of each color will give you more than enough to complete all 4 mug rugs. We'll start with the maple leaf border using the spinach leaf yarn color. Use 6 stitches per inch. Be sure to use your stitch gauge to measure your stitches. Next, we'll punch the leaf outline and the leaf veins using Tangelo. Here we also punch 6 stitches per inch. Now use cranberry sauce to fill in the leaf using 4 stitches per inch. Again, use your stitch gauge to check your stitches. And finally, we'll punch the background with Smoky Extra Light with 4 stitches per inch. For the rest of the mug rugs, we'll follow the same steps. Start with the border, outline the object, fill in the object, and finish with the background. With all the punching done, it's time to clean up the front of your mug rugs. Snip the ends even with the top of the loops, and straighten any loops that look out of place by poking them with the tip of your scissors. For ways to finish off your mug rugs, check out these other great tutorial videos. Thanks for watching and happy punching!